How to use Google Gemini. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application, click on your profile at the top right corner and go to settings. Once you go in settings, you will see the option of Google Assistant. So if you have toggled on the option of Google Assistant, click on it, otherwise go to Gemini right below it. After that, you can see different setting. Go to language. Simply choose the language with which you want the Gemini to be activated. Now, to simply activate Gemini, you can simply click on the home icon. Once you tap and hold on the key, you can see the option of Ask Gemini. You can simply write a text or record as audio. After that, Google Gemini will be activated. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.